Michelle with Pink and Maine. Thanks for joining me today. It's February 1st, 2023, and that means it's time to share our new subscription products with you. I'm so excited about these. I know I say that every month, but I just love seeing all this put together for you. So our stamp of the month is first, and it's called Easter Train. Isn't it the cutest? Oh my goodness, we've got the bunny, the conductor of the train. We've got a cart of colorful Easter eggs, a cart of jelly beans, and of course, don't forget your little chicks. We've got Happy Spring, sending Easter joy. Somebody loves you. Choo choo, happy Easter to you. So this is a super fun 4x6 stamp set. There it is. We have the coordinating dies. So if you subscribe to the stamp of the month, you get the 4x6 stamp set sent to you each and every month, unless you skip a month or you cancel your subscription. It ships to you within the US for $12 only. Later in the month, this stamp set will go for sale for regular price at $16. So the stamp of the month subscription is an awesome deal. Another great deal is the stamp and die of the month. So if you subscribe or order the stamp and die of the month, you get the 4x6 stamp set and the coordinating dies shipped to you within the US for $24. So when the stamp and die set go for sale with our release later in the month, the stamp set, again, it will be $16 and the dies will be $18. So it's a super great deal to either get the stamp of the month or the stamp and die of the month. And as I always say, who doesn't love to get a little package of Happy Mail each and every month? So now we're going to take a look at the contents of our Crafty Courtyard kit this month. If you order the kit online, it's the monthly subscription kit. It reoccurs every month. The charge goes through on the 15th. We have a base price of $34.99 for the kit, and that price has not changed since we started in March of 2019. We've been doing the kits for almost 4 years now, and it's so exciting. And then according to where you are having the kit shipped, we charge a flat shipping fee. So if you live within the US, we charge $8.50 for shipping, so the kit comes out to $43.49 a month. Along with our stamp and die of the month, we do allow you to skip a month with the kits here and there, and you can cancel anytime. Now, with any of our subscriptions, the stamp of the month, the stamp and die of the month, or the monthly subscription kit, as long as you're an active subscriber, you always get 15% off everything on our website whenever you place an order. Now, that's an automatic discount. You don't need a code. As long as you are logged into your account when you're shopping, the price you see and that you pay will be the 15% off price. I think that's an awesome deal. So let's take a look at this February 2023 kit. Here is the postcard that gives you a little hint of what's inside. The kit theme is all occasion. The back of the postcard gives you a detailed list of what's included in the kit. It has our color palette. So if you need extra cardstock, you can always go to the website and check out these colors. We also give you some information of our Facebook group that you can join, and you can share your creations with others, or you can get inspired by what everyone else is creating with their kit. You always get a large project bag. These sturdy mesh zippered bags are great for holding your kit contents or crafting on the go, or whatever you would like to store in them. I know my favorite color is pink, and I love things with pink in them, but the color palette this month I think is gorgeous. I love these cool colors together. They're just fresh and crisp, and they remind me of spring blooms. We've got glitter enamel dots in this kit. We have a beautiful iridescent sparkly sequin mix. You get a full 6x6 paper pad. This one is called Cool Basics. I'll just go through some of the patterns. We have a chevron, large polka dots, little plaid there, and some more plaid. Oh, look at the stripes. I love the plaids, the stripes, the dots. I love all these patterns. These are some great basic patterns. They make gorgeous backgrounds on your cards. We've got polka dots. We've got gingham. And they're going to go great with the stamps and dies in this kit. How gorgeous these colors are. And we're back to the beginning. So there are 24 different patterns here. They're double-sided sheets, so you get 2 of each pattern. There's our stamp set in the kit this month. This is a great all occasion, as it's named, stamp set. It's got great sentiments. We've got with heartfelt thanks, happy birthday, thinking of you, sending smiles, I miss you dearly, on your special day, I think of you often, welcome little one, happy anniversary, with sincere gratitude, sending condolences, I'm sorry for your loss, congratulations, on your wedding day, with deepest sympathy, hello friend, I simply love you. Aren't those awesome sentiments for just about any occasion you could think of? Get a nice large set of dies with this kit. All the sentiments that are on the stamp set will fit in either of these sentiment strips. So you've got a great way to stamp the sentiment and cut it out with a sentiment strip to fit on the card. We have a nice leaf die, where it's like a sprig of leaves. And then this die here does an outline of those leaves. So you can layer them together or you can use them separately, independently by themselves. You also get a 6x6 embossing folder in this kit. So this is called Cobblestone. And the pattern reminds me of some of those old cobblestone streets. It's a great pattern for a background on your cards, and the embossing folders give nice deep impressions that give a great dimensional look to the backgrounds on your cards. We're giving you a large stencil, so this stencil will fit in our storage binder if you like, and you keep them that way. It's got these great spots for masking or highlighting. So you could stencil a plain oval. You could stencil an oval with polka dots. You can do it in 2 different colors. You can do the same with the rectangle here and the stripes that are in the rectangle pattern. They layer together or you can use them independently, but they make great highlight or spotlight areas on your cards. So it'd be awesome to ink blend over the oval and then put that leaf die there, and then you put your sentiment strip across it and you almost have a card finished with just a little bit of embellishment, right? Last but certainly not least, let's go over the gorgeous cardstock. As I said before, I love these colors. They're just cool and crisp and remind me of spring. You're gonna get 2 sheets of our 110-pound ice rink white cardstock. Then you're gonna get 6 colors of our 100-pound colored cardstock. We've got the Park, which is this beautiful lime green, Streetlight, which is yellow. We've got Brownstone. This beautiful teal is Lakeside. Our rich blue is called Barbershop. And a new color here is Sunny Sky. So it's a beautiful light blue on the top. So there's a closer look at all of the items in our monthly subscription kit this month. I cannot wait to see what you guys create with these awesome products. If you're not a subscriber, this is a great month to start. You can head on over to pinkandmane.com, check it out for yourself. And until next time, my friends, keep living the creative life.